I am back. Then the time lapse because I am pressed for time. It is life is lifing, you guys. Life is really lifing me. It's pulling out all the stops. It is pulling out all. It's saying, you know what? I got time today for you. It's life is coming for me. Whoo, baby. Dun, 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 dun. Anyways, as you can see, I have my my overlay. I don't like that overlay. I like the other one with the graffiti. I want to make one with graffiti on it. Of course, I want you guys to buy my dresses, my clothing. I'm running behind on that. I think I'm going to end up canceling that Shopify account, though. Do you know on Shopify that, because I have a 3-month free subscription on Shopify, they charge me $1 a month, and I'm into month 3. Do you know on the free accounts, Google crawler cannot crawl your account, so it is searchable on the internet. In other words, I literally have to spend all my time trying to promote that, and I did not comprehend that. Literally, I did not comprehend that until just now. I had to Google that. And I last month, or the beginning of this month, I Googled, crawler. I know about, it has to crawl and it has to find your account and it has to index it and it puts it out there so people can find it. And I have gotten a few looks from Facebook, a few from Instagram, just little, 6, 7, 8 looks on my account. And so I figured Google had crawled it. I just wasn't trying hard enough. So they have a test on Google where you can test to see if your site has been crawled. Lo and behold, my site had not been crawled. And so I had to go down a rabbit hole. And Shopify prevents your site from being crawled when it's a free 3-month account. In other words, you have to have a paid account in order for Google to crawl your Shopify account. In other words, you have to be so brilliant. And I'm not saying I'm not brilliant, but you don't know that your site is not being crawled. They don't tell you that. So you have to know or find out that your site is not being crawled, and then you have to take steps to get the word out. You already have to get the word out if you have a paying account. That crawling that Google does, indexing your account, allows you to be noticeable in SEO searches and things like that. But if you have a free account, Shopify says nope, they're not going to let Google crawl your account. So I'm going to end up canceling this account here in about a week or two. This was some bullshit because it just makes your journey that much more difficult. I don't care. I'm canceling the account anyway. I mean, how the F am I supposed to become successful if you're constantly moving the goalpost? So anyway, yeah. So that Shopify right there, you see right there on the screen, I'm going to end up taking this account down. And I could have done this without all the headache. I'm wondering how come I'm not getting any views. Not that I'm some kind of master marketer, but that just pisses me off, to be perfectly honest. I need lotion on my hands. I might as well just do this myself, find ways myself. I'm trying to learn how to code APIs. And if you look on the bottom of any website, from Instagram, even Shopify, to Google, to TikTok, Facebook, Lemonade, any social media app, they're going to have that API down there, API conversions, and their application programming interfaces, and you can do a gazillion things with them. So I'm trying to teach myself how to write APIs anyway. And there's some other things out there. I'm not going to go into them because this is about sewing, but I'm going to find other ways to market myself and get my product out there and not have to worry about a paid site that offers you a free site, but they won't allow your site to be. It isn't that they're not marketing it. They're not allowing your site to be found by a mechanism that is designed to help you promote your site. They're moving the goalpost. Unless they get some money out your ass, they're not going to help you become successful. That's dirty. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of this. They're still up right now. My stuff is still up there. I only have 6 items on there. And like I said, life has been lifing me, and I've got 4 more dresses. 4 more dresses. The white ones I've been talking about, like the red one, but they're white with those green pockets and things. Those are, I have to go over and correct some things. My surgery was acting up. I spoke about my surgery in the last video. But I need to tighten up the stitching on those. So I'm not going to put them online for sale if they're not perfect or at least sellable. But yeah, I have 4 more dresses and I have 3 tops. I'm trying to think if I have something else. So 4 and 3, 7. So I've got more product to put out, but like I said, I've got all this stuff going on, and to think that I'm gonna make this product and then put it on Shopify, y'all out your I almost said something. I'm not doing that. My site would only be visible if I pay Shopify, and I get that, but that isn't what they said. They said it's a free account, but my site was not being crawled. It's not available to be found because Shopify won't make it locatable unless I pay them some money. Then why offer me a free account? You moved the goalpost. I know I'm harping on that. So anyway, I'm making the pockets for the dress, for the white dress. So yeah. That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. So anyways. Something is going on with my computer too. I don't know what the heck that was. This is 3 videos, I think like 50 minutes long, condensed into one 13-minute video. I'm going to get rid of that Shopify link as well. Use a different overlay. You live and learn. It's so much you have to do to become successful. I'm, again, not complaining, but businesses, people, systems are designed to maximize profit for those who are already in power. And if you don't understand that, and if you don't have the wherewithal to comprehend that and then find a way out, then you will not be successful. And that includes me, myself. Because I'm having a hard time my damn self. But you have to figure shit out after the fucking fact. And that's what's irritating. They don't just come to you and just say, fuck you, you're not going to make it. They tell you that you can make it and tell you that you pull yourself up by your bootstraps. And they'll tell you all this stuff. And then when you go and try and do it, then they'll sit back and they'll gaslight you and they'll play dumb like, well, we didn't get any money. Well, you didn't say that. You said this was a free account. You did not say that my site would not be found. You have to go and look for it. So if I play hardball, then don't be surprised when you come knocking at my door and I say, fuck you. Because I don't have time to play games with people. Yeah, I'm ranting. I'm ranting. So anyways, this is what it takes to produce a line. I just want to be successful. Yep. And if I get there, oh, it's on. It's on. If I get there, I'm gonna be one of the loudest motherfuckers, y'all. I'm gonna be loud as fuck, cause this is some bullshit. Fuck that. If I start eating, it's on. Cause this is bullshit. I'm not bragging or anything. You see, I'm not complaining about my place either, but I'm in a studio. It's cramped up. It's cluttered. Everyone has to deal with life, but they don't play fair. You know what? And if I start going overseas to have my shit made, so be it. Fuck it. But people ain't playing fair. They're not playing fair. I don't want to go overseas. I want to sell my shit for $500. I might have to go overseas, y'all. I might have to. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. See you guys in the next video. Coming to the end here, to the end here, to the end here. Love you. Stay safe. Kiss your loved ones. I don't believe that. Anyways, kiss your loved ones. Talk to you guys later. See you in the next video.